Happy World Ukulele Day 2023. We're in our school reception area because the Ukulaliens have decided to do a flash mob today. Now, most of the pupils had never even heard of a flash mob before and certainly hadn't taken part in one. So we gathered at the beginning of our break time, had a little bit of fun and entertained some of the staff and other pupils. I hope you enjoy. We're going to go. Da, 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 don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Like it, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it, rocking all over the world again. And I like it, 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 rocking all over the world. So a few more ukulaliens starting to appear now. Break has started properly. Everybody seems to be enjoying themselves. The only instructions I left the pupils were go and get a ukulele from my room, they're all tuned, and come up to reception. I'm really pleased though to see quite a few of our beginners. They really haven't been playing very long, so I think they've done a fantastic job. Absolutely wonderful to see some of the staff playing as well. Everybody there to celebrate World Ukulele Day. Having some fun. Few more joined in and still a few more ukulaliens yet to come, and we've drawn quite a crowd.
We go rocking all over the world! 1, 2, 3,
Happy World Ukulele Day. I hope you enjoyed that. We certainly did.